In a well-run PRINCE2 project, there is no need for the project board to meet on a regular basis. Project board should not get involved in the day-to-day delivery of the project or micromanage the project. They should meet at the end of each stage to give authority to proceed. At these points, they set tolerance for the next stage. Tolerances is the permissible deviation from the plan that is allowed before it needs to be escalated to the next higher authority. We call this overall approach management by exception. The sixth principle is focus on products. In other words, we should be discussing what we want to build and how good it has to be, rather than the work involved with doing it. The purpose of a project can be interpreted in many different ways unless there is an explicit understanding of the products to be produced and the criteria against which they will be individually approved. To achieve this, at the start of the project manager meets with the customer to capture their expectations and the criteria the customer intends to use to judge the success of the output. This is documented in form of project product description, which describe the project product. This principle is embodied in the product-based planning technique, and we will cover this in the plans and quality themes. Finally, we need to be aware of the size of the project. Simple projects will require a lighter touch, and there is more room for informal reporting and fewer stages and reports. However, at the other extreme, complex projects require more discipline and rigor. Structuring PRINCE2 to meet these varying needs is called tailoring, and this supports the principles. Tailoring to suit the project environment. Tailoring is considered before the project begins. Roles may be split or combined. Processes and documents may be combined. It may be agreed that some reports can be oral and some decisions made by phone or email rather than at meetings.